Your talent is in your choices. It's not about where you start. It's about how hard you work and how far you're willing to go. Cinema is a matter of what's in the frame and what's out. In life too, the struggle is knowing what matters and focusing on it. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you come first time in this channel, before start video, we request you please subscribe our channel. You're only as good as the passion you put into what you create. Every great achievement comes from relentless effort. The most important thing is the work. Struggle is temporary, but the art you create is forever. Love is at the heart of every great story. It's not perfect, it's messy, raw, and often heartbreaking, but it's what keeps us human. Love demands patience, sacrifice, and courage, qualities that come from hard-earned lessons and life struggles. Life isn't about avoiding pain or struggle. It's about creating something meaningful through it all. Your life is your story, and every moment of hardship shapes the masterpiece you're meant to create. To live fully is to embrace the chaos, the beauty, and the uncertainty that comes with every step of the journey. Take a trip through the profound wisdom of Martin Scorsese quotes, providing an intimate glimpse into the creative process of a cinematic visionary. These enlightening quotations capture the heart of cinema, storytelling expertise, and the director's unmatched vision. Filmmaking is a journey through the soul of humanity, captured frame by frame. A film is a comprehensive investigation of human feelings, experiences, and the human life itself. Every shot captures a little piece of the collective human narrative. In the silence between words and the space between actions lies the true essence of storytelling. The importance of subtlety and the impact of what is left unsaid or unseen is a theme present in many Scorsese films. He presents quiet and subtle gestures that frequently portray the most powerful moments in a movie. Collaboration is the heartbeat of filmmaking, each artist contributing a unique rhythm to the symphony of storytelling. Filmmaking is a cooperative art form in which a variety of talents join together. Each offers their viewpoint and expertise to produce a cohesive cinematic experience. Editing is the heartbeat of the film, where raw emotions are sculpted into a resonating masterpiece. The editing process is the lifeblood of a movie, as it transforms the screenplay into a solitary realm of storytelling. Scorsese's approach to crafting a story is a genesis of evoking emotions through artistry. The director's chair is where the conductor orchestrates a symphony of visuals and emotions. The unmistakably distinct storytelling provides invaluable insights that Scorsese's unique brand of filmmaking radiates into the audience's mind. Scorsese arranges social realism into characters with unfiltered emotions that create a lasting symphony. Authenticity in storytelling lies in capturing the truth of human imperfections and complexities. Scorsese's distinctive narrative approach embraces the complexities and morally ambiguous characters. Where other directors fail to successfully depict the disturbed characters, Scorsese believes in capturing what real human emotions resonate while maintaining a universal appeal. Life itself is the canvas from which storytellers draw inspiration, painting tales that resonate across generations. Scorsese draws inspiration from the complex fabric of life, including real-life events, feelings, and the environment that blend into craftsmanship. The pursuit of cinematic excellence is an eternal quest, a journey without a final destination. What Martin Scorsese quotes tell us is his approach to embracing human experience is a journey to transcendence. His ability to manipulate conventional screenplay structure is an example of breaking the mold for aspiring filmmakers. The legacy of a filmmaker is not just in the films created, but in the hearts and minds of those touched by the stories told. Martin Scorsese employs realism and complexity, pushing emotions to the walls and streets. Legacy can't be created overnight, It takes dedication, experimentation, and embracing successes and failures. To sum up, exploring the words of Martin Scorsese is a fascinating trip down the halls of artistic brilliance, evident in Martin Scorsese quotes that resonate with anybody enthralled with the power of storytelling, not only budding filmmakers. So I hope this all tips to improve yourself, and if you come first time on channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.